Hi, my name is Nitesh Bhatia. At Matar Fluids Group, we have created this web app for visualizing CFD models in a browser and augmented reality using mobile devices. The left hand side shows the desktop preview where the models can be interacted using mouse buttons, wheel, or a trackpad. You can click to zoom in or zoom out. The right hand side shows a mobile preview. Use one finger and multi-touch to interact with the model. You can use the drop down in the lower section for browsing different 3D models. For viewing the models in augmented reality, click the button that says View in AR. Upon clicking this button, you should be able to see the model in AR. It may take a while depending upon internet connection speed, room brightness, and how fast the camera calibrates AR mode. You can look around the model by moving the phone or interacting with the model using single and multi-touch. In case of turbulent flow, you can see that the streamlines follow the particle velocity and the color represents its relative magnitude. You can also follow the particle path by going inside the flow. Stir tank with an interface is another example of advanced industrial flow. Try viewing it in AR for interesting insight. The case of mixer is a complex visualization example. The arrows follow particle velocity direction. Their size varies by the relative magnitude of the velocity, and the arrows are colored to show pressure variations. The AR mode also allows you to take picture if you wish. We hope that this web app and augmented reality will help you to better understand the complexities of fluid dynamics. Good luck.